Here's an example of a collage that has been printed out and then drawn on top of, has a little bit of tape, different mixed media directions that this can go. So think about if you want to take your project a mixed media route. If you do that, a lot of the project is going to be drawn on using Sharpie. You can also use maybe oil pastel, colored pencil. This image has some tape that was added to it. You can look close and see the oil pastel. So if you're going this direction, think about the placement for drawing with Sharpie or with the oil pastel. I almost outlined some of the boxes with the Sharpie and used some cross-hatching where you're kind of outlining different areas using texture. So think about if there's any mixed media ideas that you have for this project that you could maybe try out. For example, maybe even finding different pieces of things that you can work with. So here is just some random little pieces of paper that you can maybe overlay on your image in creative ways. So maybe trying to follow some of the lines in the image. So maybe some horizontal, maybe have some different pieces of things going vertically. Think about maybe bringing in some construction paper or bring in tin foil, saran wrap. There's a lot of different things you could use for mixed media, but you're basically just working in on top of a printed out version. So if you do go this route, just make sure you email me the picture that you want printed, and then I will print it out for you and you can get started working with the mixed media direction for the project.